Hey everyone, it's Mary Louise here from East Coast Stamping with Mary Louise for another fun sketching challenge kind of card. I always enjoy looking at a sketch and trying to figure out how to do my own spin on it. Now this is certainly not my sketch. I do troll the internet from time to time to look for things that I find appealing, and this one is from another Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the States. So welcome to my video. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Aylesford, Nova Scotia, Canada. Another beautiful day here in the Annapolis Valley. If this is your first time dropping by, welcome. Don't forget to give me hit the subscribe button so any future videos that I do, you'll get notification for. And for those that are returning, thank you for popping by again and supporting me. So today's video is going to be using the Country Birdhouse stamp set. So we're going to use a couple of the sentiments, the happy birthday, and hoping you have the best day ever. We're going to be using the in color designer series paper 2024 to 2026, and we're using the summer splash, and then we're going to be using some of the Unbounded beauty designer series paper. So I think I'm going to stamp first and get that over with, and then I can move on. So here's one of my pieces, and all of the measurements will be on my blog, because I didn't write them down, and I won't bore you with that kind of detail right now. So I have the happy birthday stamp on my block, and I only want the happy, so I have taken a sticky note to cover up the birthday. I just want to okay, now I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to put the sticky note over the birthday part, or over the happy now. I'm just inking it up. I'm just using the black memento. Just making sure that there's nothing on that. There's another Post-it. All right. So that has been done, and then the inside of my card, stamp that right now too, and hoping you have the best day ever. And I have smudged it, so I'm going to turn it over and try it again, and hopefully I don't get my fingers on anything. That's better. Now we're done stamping. All right, so now we can just start putting things together. I have my Stampin' seal here. I love using this designer series paper because you just it's hard to decide which side you want to use, right? Sometimes based on the colors and the designs, it's obvious which side. But so far I'm liking everything that's being offered. So I get a little ahead of myself. My card base is the Summer Splash. And it's 5.5 by 8.5, and fold it in two, get my little bone folder out. It's been a few days since I've been able to come into my space and create. It's been so warm. Thought I'd take advantage today. It's not quite so warm. All right, so we're almost there. The next is just a bunch of layering of designer series paper on top of cardstock. So we'll just add that on. It's hard to believe we're already halfway into July already. Soon be able to have a sneak peek at the September to January mini with all of our holiday offerings. I love this piece of paper here. So this is another one. That was the Unbounded Beauty. You can't see it. There we go. That's the Unbounded Beauty. And then this one is the in color. So if you are a Canadian in Canada and looking to have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I'll be happy to help you out. Try to eyeball it as close as we can. All right, I think I'm gonna need to get out my handy dandy Stampin' dimensionals. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of adhesive there and a dimensional here and here. No, that was not what I wanted. Put that right down to the edge. I think it's still going to be too big. Just needed enough to pop it up over. There we go. There. All right, that's perfect. It is kind of sad that you do get a lot of that covered up. I think I'm going to bring mine back a little bit so that we don't cover up so much of it. So, let's see. I need a little piece of dimensional in that corner, just because it's going to be popped up a little higher there, and put a little bit of adhesive on. All right, so then I did fussy cut one of these out. I'm just going to put that there. And I think I'm gonna go with a little piece of twine. Looks like I might need to replenish my twine. So I just have a little piece of, yep, I do. Just gonna make a little white bow with my baker's twine. Now, I need a glue dot, mini glue dots. There we go. Some days my fingers work so good, and other days I swear they're the size of elephant feet. All right, now we are going to use some rhinestone basic jewels. And 1, 2, 3. So there we have it. I love the color on color, like the tone on tone. So the cardstock was all the Summer Splash, and then the designer series papers all featuring the Summer Splash color as well. So there it is. Again, thank you for dropping by. Appreciate any comments that you have. Thumbs up, hopefully, or if you feel you need to, a thumbs down. But we're looking for positive. So have a great day, and hope to see you all soon. Bye-bye.